Okay, this is a really neat shot here. I'm frozen to the 3 ball, so I can't make the 8 directly. It would be very difficult to masse because the 7's in the way, so it's hard to get the masse to take quick enough to get around the 3 and the 7 and make the 8. What I'm going to do, I'm actually aiming out to the left of the 7 ball, extreme left English. I put the tip very close to the cue ball, and instead of coming back with a normal stroke, I put the tip very close. And then so a lot of wrist action, just stroke right through it without coming back. The cue ball will stay on the tip a little bit longer, get out past the 3 ball, then it squirts right off to the right, off of the tip. And if you stroke this properly, you don't do a double, you don't double hit it. It's just a smooth stroke. Okay, here's a longer version of the same shot. If you notice, I'm frozen to the object ball there. Extreme left English. Like I said, tips very close to the cue ball. And instead of coming back, I just stroke through the ball. The cue ball will stay on the tip a little bit longer, squirt off to the right, go down and pocket the ball. Now let me say something about this shot. Most referees would probably call a foul on this shot, but technically this is a legal shot because I only hit the cue ball one time. Okay, and you can't tell someone how long the stroke's got to be. So if you were hitting the center of the cue ball with this same type of stroke, it would be legal. So what's the difference of putting extreme English on it and stroking it the same way? And if you do it properly, you will not doubly hit the cue ball.